Don't let a failed pump cause disruption to your home or business. From regular pump maintenance to pump station repairs and new installations, we understand the complexity of pump stations and have the knowledge and experience you can rely on to ensure your water and waste keeps flowing. Whether it's a foul or storm water pump, our expert engineers are available 24/7, 365 days a year to provide complete water in, waste out solutions tailored to your needs. Alongside our sister company, Willow Pumps, we can also provide bespoke design services and support you through the Water Authority adoption process. No matter the size of the problem, we go above and beyond to not only provide a fix, but keep your premises free from disruption with long-term solutions. In need of expert pump solutions, contact Metro Rod on 0800 66 88 00.